कार्मिकों के लिए सभी मुलाकाती पूरे We don't go ready. Come out and speak to us.
Jintu! 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 Tindaga, Jintu! Jintu! What are we? 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 What do we want? What do we want?
Justice. Justice.
What do we want?
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 No. 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 No.
So we have to understand that these people behind us, they're not for us. You have to understand. We're standing here for a point because these people back here, they don't support us. So we will be yell, we have to sit here and yell and cry until they understand that our oppression is not going in vain. The Cato here, we are here to take the torch that our parents are passing down. We are taking it and we are going to run until Oromia is free. Leave it is one. Leave it is one. Leave it is one. So, Cato, our job is our job now. Our job, our parents here, our aunts, our uncles, our grandparents are fighting for too long. It is our turn. When they want to fix the narrative and tell us that we don't know our history, we tell them we know our history. Do we know our history? Yes. Do we know our history? Yes. Milena. Yes. Milena. Yes. Milena. Yes. Milena. Yes. So, if we just do that, we have to say chest, both chest. Because you see this flag? We hold it proudly. We don't hold the Ethiopian flag. We do all at one. What are we?
Oromo.
What are we?
Oromo.
What are we?
Oromo.
What are we?
Oromo.
Abiy is a killer. He does not stand for Oromo people.
Yes.
We have to make sure the rest of the world knows this. Abiy is not for Oromos.
Yes.
And being Oromo is not a crime.
Yes.
It is not a crime to be Oromo in Ethiopia.
Yes.
It is not a crime to be Oromo in America.
Yes.
It is not a crime to be Oromo in Canada.
Yes.
It is not a crime to be Oromo anywhere.
Yes.
So when they tell you you are Ethiopian and you say I am Oromo, share with your chest. We are Oromo and we will keep going until we have justice.
Yes.
My kids will not, my future kids will not do this. We're not going to keep fighting. Because one day we will be free and it's going to be our generation to do it. So we got to keep going. Keep marching. Jintu!
Jira!
Jintu!
Jira!
Jintu!
Jira!
Jintu!
Jira!
Jintu!
Jira!
Abiy, let's go!
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 Abiy is a killer!
Abiy is a killer!
Abiy is a killer!
Abiy is a killer!
Abiy